Very good morning to all of you. From today, we will discuss ethics that will be helpful for your upcoming mains exam. So, ethics is an important paper. So, it is in GS4 of the general studies paper. So, there are six papers in mains. So, one paper is related to ethics. So, from today, I will be giving you short videos related to ethics, and in the process I will tell you how to write ethics answers, because answers in exam, because ethics is an important uh, part of your GS syllabus, and scoring marks in ethics is not that difficult. So what you have to do is you have to you have to use certain keywords. So through that you can answer ethics question paper and case studies as well. So let us have a discussion on the syllabus at first. So you should make keywords of each and every topic of the syllabus. So our topic is ethics, integrity and aptitude. So it is said that this paper will include questions to test the candidate's attitude and approach to issues relating to integrity, probity in public life. So what is integrity? So integrity is something which is a type of honesty when no one is seeing you. So whether you are honest with yourself or not, that is integrity. So for example, uh, if you are you know you are right or wrong, right? No, you cannot lie yourself, so that is integrity. So it is different from honesty. Honesty is like when someone is seeing you, then whether you are honest with him or not. But integrity is when you are honest to yourself. So similarly, probity in public life. Okay, probity is also being extremely honest, and and the problem solving approach to various issues and conflicts faced by him in dealing with society. So the questions may utilize case study approach. Okay, so case studies related to integrity and probity may be asked. To determine these aspects, the following broad areas will be covered. So what areas will be covered, I will discuss in the next video. So today it was an introductory video to ethics. So we discussed topics like integrity and probity in public life. So these are the three words. So you try to make notes of integrity, you try to make notes of probity, and you try to make notes of public life. So how will you use integrity in public life and probity in public life? So if you do this much, then your ethics preparation will get a kickstart. So that is the best way to prepare for ethics. Also you can see ethics, integrity and aptitude. So these are what is aptitude, what is integrity and what is ethics. So in the next video we will be discussing further uh, uh, subsequent future upcoming slides. So for today, I told you have to discuss. You just remember the keywords like ethics, integrity, aptitude and probity in public life, and integrity in public life. So that was all for today. Thank you very much.